Hey, it's Eamon with ipXchange at Embedded World 2024. I'm here with Alex Kengen on Renesas' booth in Hall 1, booth 234. And yeah, they've got a few cool demos here. So Alex, can you take us through this smart door lock and then the Matter demo, but they're connected together?
Yeah, well, actually, what they combine is the Apple framework called HomeKit. So the smart door lock is HomeKit enabled, and the Matter demo, of course, is also part of the HomeKit. But the smart door lock has more.
Okay. So in terms of, can you show us it in action, and then we'll go through the...
Sure, I would love to.
Yeah.
I would love to. So this smart door lock, it's a mock-up of a door lock.
Yep.
Includes a DA16600 for Apple key functionality, and also for the HomeKit functionality. So it has all the encryption blocks needed to run HomeKit and Apple key.
Cool.
Next to that, there is a Wi-Fi interface. It's based on the module, the DA16600.
Okay.
This makes sure that you have a cloud connection. So you can also use Android devices to open the door. But it's easier if you use your iPhone, because you just have to hold it to the door, and then you see that the door opens. And in the meantime, you see also that the light switches on. These are like a little automation that I put in. So if you open the door, your lights switch on.
Cool. So that first one, is that made specifically for Apple, or has it been configured for Apple?
It's part for of the Apple ecosystem. So they also have the Apple Key, which is part of your wallet. And maybe you're familiar with with iPhones. They have this wallet with a secure key storage. Okay,
cool. And the other chip that you mentioned, is that all the different connectivity, the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, and the NFC?
So this is like a high-tech door lock. So it includes NFC, includes Wi-Fi for cloud connectivity, and it includes BLE for HomeKit connectivity. So you can use multiple ways to open the door, and also a physical way by just tapping in the numeric key, like a PIN code.
So in terms of if an engineer wanted to evaluate that specific component, I mean, obviously this is a very nice demo setup. Are there evaluation boards?
Sure. So this is an example of the NFC. So it also includes NFC. So here you see the antenna, it's quite big. But this is an example where we used the Quick Connect Studio with a PMOD interface, and actually you had a very small antenna. And there are LEDs blinking if there's a connection. So you even see that within 8 centimeters you have a connection. So for all the setups, we have different evaluation kits for Wi-Fi, for BLE. This is just to show that we can integrate it as an application.
Nicely done. So take us through a bit more of the Matter side of the demo.
Yeah, so the Matter side of the demo is in essence, it's combining ecosystems. So going back to the home screen, we have Alexa, and we have Google, and we have Apple with their ecosystem. And all of them, they can control your home, like the lighting, the shutters, your door lock. So if you, for instance, have an iPhone and somebody else has an Android device, now it's combined. So it used to be like a separate ecosystems, but now you can combine it in one ecosystem. So it's very easy to use now. So in this case, I'm showing the HomeKit features. Oh, it's a demo effect. You see that the door is unlocked and the lights are on. So now I'm not at home and I want to open the door for my friend, and I can just click it, and then you see that the door opens.
Cool. So in terms of the chipsets, is that a specific Matter chipset from Renesas?
Exactly.
I guess that.
So it's the DA16600. This is our current generation, which supports Wi-Fi 4. Has an ARM Core 4 inside, M4 inside, and it's basically a one-chip solution to build accessories like door sensors, like door locks, anything you can imagine. Appliances can be made Matter compatible.
Excellent. And so Does that also have an evaluation board associated with it, or does it go with the?
No, there is a separate suite for HomeKit, even a dedicated SDK for Matter.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So in terms of that that dev kit, what are there any interfaces that make it for easy connection to peripherals during testing, or is it more just to test the?
Well, the interface is like, you mean like evaluation boards from other vendors, like adding sensors?
Oh yeah, that kind of thing.
Yeah, so all the pins, all the interfaces are available to connect sensors. There is an Arduino interface and a microbus interface, so very easy to add accessories.
Cool. And in terms of the form factor, how large is this chip? Because that's packing in a lot of power, or a lot of functionality.
Then we have to kneel a little bit down, because here below you see the form factor of the Wi-Fi module. Actually.
Oh, I see.
So it's a Renesas module that includes Wi-Fi and BLE.
Nice. And is that also in these?
It's exactly in here. I can open it up so you see the exact same module.
Oh, excellent. Cool. So just to double check, is this stuff available now, or is it?
Yes, it's
great.
All launched. It's fully launched. The NFC, the PTX105R is available. The DA16600, DA16600 is available. It's the Wi-Fi part.
Yep.
And the BLE is also available.
Cool. Excellent. So no better time than now to get started with Matter and any form of wireless technology, it looks like.
Yep.
Cool. Well, thank you very much, Alex.
No
Great
worries.
demo.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, where my engineers at?